Here's a website that we've visited once before in this tutorial. Let's see how it stands up when I use the CRAAP test to consider its credibility. One of the first things on the CRAAP test is currency. How timely is the information in relationship to the topic? If I scroll down here, I see it was updated in 2025. That sounds pretty current to me. So I give a check mark to currency. Relevance. Does the information relate to your topic? If I'm looking for information about the effects of CO2 and climate change, this seems like a pretty good site. It looks like everything on here is devoted to that topic. I see a lot of reports over here that I could explore. There's videos that I can look at. The whole site seems dedicated to the topic that I'm investigating. So relevance, I check that off. Next thing is authority. So let's see. I see that the URL is a .org, not a .com. So .org is reassuring to me. Let's see if we can figure out, look at the mission statement on the About page. The Center for the Study of Carbon Dioxide and Global Change was created to disseminate factual reports and sound commentary. So that sounds good. They're trying to disseminate facts. They publish a lot of educational materials. That sounds very authoritative. Let's see. This looks like the site has won several awards, all education related. So it's an award-winning site. That's helping to confirm the authority. Let's see who said that the people who write for them. It looks like they all have science degrees, advanced degrees. This person has a PhD. Says that his research has appeared many times in peer-reviewed journals, and it lists some of them. It's got a long list of publications. His credentials look very good. So certainly I would give authority a big check mark on the CRAAP test. The next thing is accuracy. How accurate is the information? I am trying to learn about CO2 effects. That's why I'm on this website. So I'm hardly an expert and not always in a position to judge the accuracy of the information I'm trying to learn about. But it seems like it's pretty accurate. It seems like it's based in science. Let's just check one of the articles. Looks like it's reviewing a science article, very recent. It's got citations in it, references to other things. It's based in actual data. So that helps me think that this is something that I can trust because it's very accurate. Just looking overall, the site seems very professional. All of the links that we've clicked on his work, it seems visually appealing. I have ways that I can navigate it. So yes, accuracy on CRAAP, I'd give that a green check mark. The last thing to check is purpose. What is the purpose of the information? I think I saw something about that on the mission statement. It was created to disseminate facts. It says the center attempts to separate reality from rhetoric in an emotionally charged debate that swirls around this subject. That sounds good. I appreciate that they're trying to base their information in reality and not subject to propaganda or biased opinions on it. I feel like they're being straightforward about this. So purpose, I'd give that a check mark. All in all, this seems like a credible site, and I think it passes the CRAAP test.